Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, freelancers need accounting software that's fast, simple, and built for getting paid. FreshBooks is one of the top choices for independent professionals. Let's break it down. FreshBooks helps freelancers create invoices, track expenses, manage time, and accept online payments in one clean dashboard. You can automate recurring invoices, follow up on late payments, and see real-time cash flow without dealing with complex accounting systems. It's easy to set up, and smart reports make it perfect for creatives, consultants, and small service businesses that want less paperwork and more time earning. FreshBooks makes freelancer accounting simple, organized, and stress-free. If you're a freelancer in 2025 looking for easy accounting, FreshBooks delivers speed, clarity, and better money management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.